Alright, back with another beginner bluegrass guitar lesson. My name is Cody. I'm a graduate of East Tennessee State University's Bluegrass and Old Time Country Music program. I've also gathered a following of about 60,000 folks here on the internets watching my tutorials. Therefore, I have a few things to share with you, alright? We are in the key of G today. I'm going to chunk this down into 3 different parts. That way it's super easy. And we are starting here with our home bases on our 1st, 2nd, and 3rd frets. What I mean by that is these are where our fingers need to be for this lick or this exercise to take place, right? We're not moving those around anywhere, okay? This first part happens really fast. I want to play it slowly here, but we're going open on our high E string, followed by a quick pull off on our 1st fret E string, followed by open B string, all right? But it's played at a specific timing. Listen to the whole thing. Here we go. All right, one more time. Okay, so real slow, pulling off on that 1st fret. Then we're going open on our B string, 3rd fret to the 1st fret, and then on our G string, we're going to the 3rd fret to the 4th fret to end that first part, okay? Just like that. All right, the best way to practice this first part and any lick, in my opinion, is to make sure that you're playing this repetitively where the notes at the end are ringing out as you start playing it again. So for example, listen closely to that open G string where I'm going, okay? So we're going, okay, play it again. Play it again. All right, and that's gonna train your fingers and your ears to work together. That way you know what it sounds like to have those notes ring out together, okay? So one more time, nice and slow. First part of 3 here, all right? All right, so that should be pretty easy, but we can add more to it, all right? So let's learn this second part. Here's what I'm playing all together up until this point, but okay, so I'm playing this all with my ring finger there. Okay, so don't move it from that fret. Okay, so I'm going 3 open on my E string, 3 open on my B string, and then I'm pulling off on the 3rd fret D string, and then I'm opening up on that, or I'm landing on that open G string. Okay? Make sure you're going up and down on that picking pattern, okay? So one more time, all the way through there. Slow this video down there on the slowdown function on YouTube if it's too fast. But we are not done still. So to end this, we are going to use that open G as our first G note in that classic bluegrass G run right there, okay? So when we do that, we're not hitting that root note G there. We're just starting with that open G. Okay, so I'm gonna throw it in there. 3rd chunk here of 3. So we're going. So I'm going open on my A string, sliding from the 1st fret to the 2nd fret, open on our D string, pulling off. We're ending on that open G string, all right? And we put that all together. We've got a cool bluegrass run. If you have found this valuable and you want to keep learning with me, chunk by chunk, making this real kind of intimidating style of music very easy, I do have an 80 lesson membership / course called Flat Pick Foundations. I designed this course especially for beginner guitarists that start about this level on your bluegrass playing to help you improve tremendously. It's a massive library of content. You'll get on-screen tabs. I'm gonna go a little bit slower. That way you understand it. It's not flared out for YouTube like this video. So I'm gonna make sure that you're learning and progressing your chops along. It's a really fun style of music once you get the hang of it. Therefore, I think you should hop down in the description, take a look at it. If it's for you, hop in there. If you're unsure about it, there's a form to fill out. I'll send you some special information. Okay, folks? Hope you found this helpful. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.